The Big Biz with Sunny on Big 106.2.
Big 106.2 पे आपका स्वागत है. My name is Sunny. This is the Big Biz, जहाँ पर हम कहते हैं Let's Talk Business. Big Biz आ जाता है संडे से लेकर वेडनेसडे तक from 11 AM to 1 PM मेरे यानी सनी के साथ. और मेरे साथ होते हैं एक एक्सपर्ट, एक entrepreneur who can actually inspire you at the same time give you the valuable information you need when it comes to those categories or those topics. आज के मेरे स्पेशल गेस्ट है डॉक्टर मृदुला धाकड़. She is a specialist interventional cardiologist. She's been in the UAE for a very long time, and she takes care of your heart related ailments when it comes to coronary interventions, and many such heart related ailments. Dr. Mridula, welcome to Big 106.2.
Thank you, Sunny. Thank you so much.
Where do you practice and how long have you been in the UAE?
I've been in UAE from 2009, and earlier I was in UAE also between 2005 and 2006 for a year, practicing in cardiology related field.
So you've graduated from the SMS Medical College in Jaipur, and you pursued your cardiology training at the Bombay Hospital. And over here you're at the Saudi German Hospital, and you practice at various other hospitals as well?
Yes, I was with Saudi German Hospital till almost mid to 2020, and now I'm practicing at other hospitals, including Gargash Hospital and International Modern Hospital.
Fantastic. Dr. Mridula, आपसे मैं heart health की बातें करना चाहूँगा. Now, obviously, inevitably, the body ages. But when it comes to heart health, how can one keep their, heart healthy?
Well, this is a very important topic because heart is where life is.
Right.
Statistically, there are about 17 million deaths worldwide due to either stroke or cardiovascular disease, and 4 out of 5 such deaths are due to these causes. Most important one is the habit, which is smoking.
Right.
And then there are diabetes, blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity. These are also important risk factors. If we take care of them, we can prevent heart diseases.
Right. Dr. Mridula, आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा, when you spoke about diabetes, you spoke about obesity, smoking, or even for the matter of fact, alcohol. What are the kind of risks that one can actually, take in by having such habits?
So, diabetes is a metabolic disease. And if we do not take care, do not control the high floating levels of sugar, then the sugar tends to go in and affect various organs in different ways. It kind of accelerates the deposition of fat in various arteries.
Right.
So we have to control the high sugar level which is floating in the body and keep it under control so that it does not accelerate the metabolic atherosclerotic process. In layman's term, I would say deposition of fat in the arteries of the organs, whether it is heart artery or the kidney artery or brain artery or eye artery. So these arteries, vascular health, we call it vascular health. The health of the artery is called vascular health. So the deposition of these fat-related particles, which we also call LDL, which is a bad cholesterol. So this high level of bad cholesterol, that accelerates the deposition process. So by controlling diabetes, we are reducing all this acceleration of atherosclerosis.
Right. We're having a very candid conversation with Dr. Mridula Dhakkad, who is a specialist interventional cardiologist. She's currently a part of the International Modern Hospital. And we're going to continue having this conversation with her right after the break. So stay tuned to Big 106.2, and I'll be back with Dr. Mridula.
The Big Biz with Sunny on Big 106.2.
Well, Big 106.2 pe we're talking business, we're talking about facts, we're talking about measures and precautions. This is Sunny on Big Biz all the way till 1 o'clock. मेरी special guest आज है Dr. Mridula Dhakkad, a specialist interventional cardiologist, currently a part of the International Modern Hospital, is a pioneer when it comes to heart health. Dr. Mridula, when it comes to heart health, ये तो age कहते हैं ना, age is just a number, but the fact is that people do age. And ऐसे ailments हर किसी इंसान के life में आते ही है. So, what is it that you'd want to say related to heart-related ailments with aging?
Good question. When you initially said age is a number, yes, in today's world, you can say that age is a number because people have started becoming aware from a young age. Many people have started becoming aware, and the process is going on. Awareness is spreading. So what typically happens with age is our arteries stiffen. The elasticity of the blood vessels of the body, it reduces, and hence it becomes more stiff. So when the blood flows through those stiff arteries, the velocity increases, the pressure of the arteries increases.
Right.
Pressure of the blood in the arteries increases. So that gives rise to high blood pressure. So if you are taking care of various things at a young age, from young age to advancing ages, that vascular health is healthy. Your arteries remain elastic and hence the pressure does not increase. Typically with age, if it happens in those who do not exercise well. So जब artery की elasticity खत्म होती है, तो blood pressure बढ़ना start हो जाता है.
Right.
So it is important for us to keep exercising, take low salt diet.
Okay.
Typically be aware of restriction of the salt. हम daily life में बहुत ज़्यादा we consume, either it is a fast food or it is a salty processed food, tinned food. We have to take we have basically have to be aware of avoiding all these things.
Right.
And so we stay on a salt restricted diet and activity as advised.
So
Nowadays,
basically,
we even have protocols and guidelines of how much activity one should do
Right.
in day-to-day life.
So basically आप कह रहे हो कि अपने शरीर, अपने बॉडी का ख्याल रखना ज़रूरी है, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज और गुड डाइट के साथ. गुड स्लीप, गुड डाइट, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प वन डिविएट, आई मीन इंश्योर कि ये हार्ट एलिमेंट्स जल्दी ना आए. करेक्ट?
That's true. That's true.
और अगर ये एलिमेंट्स कोई इंसान फेस करता है, नो मैटर व्हाट एज दे आर, व्हाट आर द काइंड ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस वन शुड टेक एंड हाउ कैन वन बी बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड?
So, yes, I come back to the same risk factors. What precautions one should take and how they can be prepared. So, if one should go for regular checkup, especially post 40, and if there is a family history, then they should even start checking themselves before 40 also.
Right.
So, one should typically check for blood sugars, cholesterol levels, and if one is habituated to smoking, one should really try to attend some counseling centers and make sure that he understands what smoking can cause and how he can prevent himself from heart diseases in the future if he takes a step towards smoking cessation now. So these are the basic tests, and then if the doctor finds relevant, he would go for further tests for the heart, which include the simple screening tests like electrocardiogram, echocardiography, stress testing by treadmill. They will reveal out further different diseases of the heart. And heart diseases come in different ways. You can somebody can feel just chest pain. Chest pain also could be typical, atypical. They could feel palpitations.
Right.
If there is any electricity related problem in the heart, or they could be simply feeling dizziness. So heart ailments come with different kind of symptoms and signs.
Right.
So one has to be aware of if something atypical is happening to him, he should bring himself to the doctor. He should get himself checked, because many people take it lightly, thinking it is one-off incident and it will go away, and they do not investigate themselves. So some investigations are required in order to diagnose certain problems, because many a time we do not come to know. Hypertension is it is a disease where 70%, 60% of the time you may not realize that you have high blood pressure. It is an incidental discovery. You have gone to the clinic for some running nose, and you are checked. Your blood pressure is found high, and after that, you should not just ignore that one high reading and forget about it. You should then go for multiple checks, because 60-70% of the time it is an incidental discovery.
Right.
Only few people, if they have very high blood pressure, they would come with severe headache or dizziness. But those who have ignored it, sometimes they may suddenly develop a high pressure and go into an extreme high pressure situation where they can go into heart failure also, and they land up in emergency with a heart failure.
Because.
So we don't want this kind of situations. Hence, the awareness should be there. Giving importance to one discovery, incidental discovery in a clinic, is also important.
Well,
so
Dr. Mridula,
basically, I think awareness.
This is such a broad topic. I want to explore this further, and I want to invite you to our studio so that we can have an hour-long discussion, because मैं जानता हूँ कि अगर एक शब्द की बात की जाए जो है stress, वो stress की intensity can directly affect your heart, correct?
Very true. Stress in today's life, most important. I can talk for an hour on stress as well.
Exactly.
How stress can affect the heart.
राइट और एक और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पहलू है कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई बंदा एक कार्डियक अरेस्ट की सिचुएशन पे आगे बढ़ रहा है, कोई या तो लेफ्ट शोल्डर दर्द होना शुरू हो जाता है, मुझे बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है पर डिटेल नॉलेज सिर्फ आप ही शेयर कर पाओगे, विच इज़ वाई आई लाइक टू इन्वाइट यू टू आवर स्टूडियो विच इज़ बिग 106.2.
Yeah, it'll be my pleasure. I would love to spread awareness for prevention of heart diseases and how we should be aware and reach the hospitals as soon as some warning sign comes.
Perfect. Very soon you're going to have her live in the studio at Big 106.2 and we'll have a very detailed chat. Thank you, doctor, for joining us on Big 106.2.
Thank you so much, Sunny.